Dear ladies and gentlemen, we are Medralik LLC, one of the most famous consulting companies in the registration of medical devices in Russia. Many people from foreign companies ask us, what are the new Eurasian Union regulations in the circulation of medical devices? Are they really so hard? Now, we will answer this question. Two procedures of the medical devices registration are working now: local Russian registration and new Eurasian Union procedure. The new Eurasian Union procedure is some harder than the national one, but it allows to use the one registration certificate in 2, 3, 4 or 5 Eurasian Union countries: Russia, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan and Armenia. Very soon local procedures will be terminated. You can submit documents under the national procedure before the 31st of December 2021. Even you will submit them on the 30th of December 2021, you will be able to get the local registration certificate. But if you submit them later, it will be impossible. Also, if you already have a national certificate of Russia, Belarus, Kazakhstan or Kyrgyzstan, it will be work before the date indicated in it. For example, this term is indefinite in Russia. Also, you can apply changes to the registration certificate before the 31st of December 2026. You can see the comparing table between Russian and Eurasian procedures on your screen. So, the main differences are: the first, as we said earlier, a local Russian registration certificate is valid only for Russia. Eurasian registration certificate could be valid for up to 5 countries. The second, clinical trials with human as a subject are proceeded in the national procedure only for medical devices that have no analog. But there will be obligatory in the Eurasian procedure for all medical devices of 2B and 3 risk classes and all implantable medical devices. The third, a manufacturing inspection during the registration is not applicable in national procedure, but it's obligatory for sterile medical devices of 2A risk class and all medical devices of 2B and 3 risk classes in Eurasian procedure. This inspection must be proceeded for all manufacturing plants, including sterilization plant. The good news is that inspection includes a group or subgroup of medical devices. For example, non-active ophthalmological medical devices, active surgical medical devices, etc. So, the inspection report for one medical device could be used for another medical device from this group or subgroup. The fourth, manufacturing inspection during the circulation is also not applicable in the national procedure, but it should be proceeded every 3 years in the Eurasian procedure for random manufacturing plant. Here is the comparing table of expected terms under Russian and Eurasian procedures. Of course, you will ask, why is it so long? There are 4 main reasons. The first, Eurasian procedure has a larger list of documents, so preparing of them takes more time. The second, clinical trials with human as a subject could take more than 6 months. Preparation to them, clinical trials design, patient insurance, obtaining permissions from the ethics committee and healthcare authorities also takes a long time, about 4 months. The third, if the manufacturing inspection will have any remarks, the full process of the inspection could take up to 90 working days, excluding preparation. The fourth, the expert evidence of the reference state is to be corresponded with states of acknowledgement. That also takes a time. In national procedures, you have different authorized representatives in every country of the Eurasian Economic Union. But in the Eurasian procedure, the manufacturer must choose the one authorized representative that is responsible for the circulation of the medical device in all countries. The authorized representative is responsible for the registration, clinical monitoring, adverse events, corrective actions, and any other activities belong to the medical device. The Eurasian procedure is difficult, doesn't it? We can help you with registration. Our professionals have a great experience in the registration of all types of medical devices from around the world. We helped our clients with more than 900 cases by the national procedure, and now we have active projects by the Eurasian procedure. Are you interested? Please send us your technical file, user manual, or instructions for use by email info@metrolink.ru, and we will send you the personal commercial offer. Also, we can be your authorized representative as the additional service. Thank you in advance and follow our channel.